Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so bike toolkits. Zipper in front. Access everything inside. Okay. We have a pump here. It's a slot for the adapter for mountain bike. It's nice. Very simple to use. Next thing we have is everything else. I'm not sure what this is. Has numbers on it. A lot of tools I don't know. There's a wrench. Here's some nuts. Not sure what this is. Okay. Not sure. Broke it. Let's see. Okay, for that. There it is. Different bits. Then let's see. Thank you. Some patches. Warranty. And that's everything in the package, as far as I can tell. And the straps, you just strap it to your bike. Okay. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.